Asha, thank you very much for sharing the latest updates that you are tracking very closely, and from the ground updates that you're fetching at this point of time in the honeymoon murder conspiracy case. Now from there, let's also shift our focus to more developments. The launch of the Indian astronaut group captain Shubhanshu Shukla's mission to the International Space Station has once again been postponed. The Axiom 4 mission to the ISS, which was scheduled for the 10th of June, has now been postponed to 11th at 5:30 p.m. IST due to the weather conditions. Is this what we are learning? Now, as group captain, Shubhanshu Shukla prepares to embark on the Axiom 4 space mission tomorrow. Chief of the Air Staff and all air warriors of the IF have wished him and the entire crew of the Axiom 4 all the very best for the safe and the successful trip to the International Space Station. The Indian Air Force has announced in a statement, and I quote, that this will add a new chapter to the Indian space odyssey. Arzu Seth is joining me with more updates. In fact, it's going to be a big day, Arzu, as we are learning on the 11th of June. All eyes are now going to be on how the mission gets to its final destination, and this is going to be also scripting a very monumental moment in India's space exploration and in the history of India's attempt in debut for the space prowess. What are you picking up as far as the IF has wished Shubhanshu Shukla and the entire crew of the Axiom 4 a very warm best?
Well, yes, as the group captain Shubhanshu Shukla gets ready for the Axiom 4 space mission, the chief of the air staff and the all air warriors of the Indian Air Force wished him and the entire crew a safe and successful journey to the International Space Station. Also, this mission marks a new milestone in India's space journey, and the Indian Air Force, is proud to have one of its officers represent the nation in this historic mission. Also, the group captain Shukla's participation in the Axiom 4 mission highlights the India's growing presence in the space and research sector. The Axiom 4 mission is a significant step towards India's space program, and also IF is honored to be a part of it. Also, the crew safe and the successful return will be a testament of the India's capabilities in the space journey, and this will take place, the mission will take place tomorrow on 11th June, and it rescheduled from the 11th June due to the weather condition. But yes, it's a historic and a very significant mission that is going to take place tomorrow itself. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right, Arzu, thank you very much with the latest updates. And now from there, let's also take a look at more international news.